What's up, y'all? So right now, me and Justin about to go to Lou's Custom Exhaust in Lynn because his muffler fell off and we gotta re-weld it back on. It's basically to like the resonator and everything after that like fell. He has like the muffler still and like the pipe for it, but I'm pretty sure they'll like remake a pipe for it and just connect it back. So right now, let me show y'all what it looks like. Ready? So, you know what I mean? It's supposed to be a muffler right here, but it stopped right there at the resonator. So that's where it's coming out right now. And then everything, like from the headers there, is all the same. Like it has headers and regular cats, all that. So let me see if he's gonna rev it up real quick. This guy right here. What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
Going good. How about yourself?
All right.
Yeah. Let's go. How big?
All pretty fresh, huh?
Right.
Alright, y'all, so I came over here to pick up my wheels. I don't know if y'all know, but I went to get them balanced. Sorry, not balanced, straightened, because two of them were bent. So I'm about to pick them up right now, just two. Bring them back to the crib. Justin's over there helping me out, if you can see him. And yeah, hopefully everything goes well. We made it. Custom exhaust. Alright, y'all, continuation of the muffler video. I know I got my wheels in here, but so this is the muffler Justin got right here. And I'm not really sure the brand, but on the tip it does say RS type. So if y'all know what that is, there's nothing like on the bottom. So, but yeah, we're just gonna put this muffler back on. That's how it was before. Alright, y'all, so we here, as y'all can tell right there, just got some, boom. And just the car's in there right now. Like it just got in there. Me and Justin about to walk around, probably get some food, and then come back. I think he's getting a price on like what they have to do, but I'm pretty sure they just gotta weld that pipe, bend it, like make a pipe, bend it, and then right to the muffler. Everything should be good. But yeah, I'm probably gonna walk around and get some food, so I'll let y'all know in a little bit. Well, actually, since I'm here, let me give y'all a little update on the RSX, because it's been a while. So I know like one of the last videos on the RSX is the rear bumper fell off. And it did. And oh, here comes Justin right now. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
What'd they say?
Alright, so just to do the exhaust with the muffler, it's gonna be $100.
Alright.
That's not bad. I guess there's two other issues that came up.
What's the other issues?
I mean, I took pictures of it because he showed me.
Yeah.
And he said in total, like, that price altogether would be like $275 to fix the two other issues.
What was the other two issues?
I can show you.
Alright, show me. Alright, so that's the issue. That's the issue. I mean, they're not crazy. Nothing crazy here. I would say just do the muffler for now. Yeah, those two issues aren't as bad. But you went back inside. So yeah, one of the last videos where the rear bumper fell off. And it fell off, we never found it. And license plate was gone, so we got new plates. We got a bumper from like a junkyard. As y'all can tell now, it's black. It's a black bumper. Thinking about painting it, that and the spoiler, because it'll match the car silver. So we're thinking about doing that. Right now, his muffler thing fell off, rusted out, completely fell off, and it was like hanging. So we just took the whole thing off instead of just hanging it. Damn fly. And yeah. So now, I'm pretty sure they're gonna do it. They're gonna weld everything back up, and it should be back to normal. But other than that, I probably have another RSX video coming up. As y'all seen, we picked up my wheels. I'm gonna put my wheels on, and yeah. You all right there, buddy?
Just a bad bitch.
All right, y'all. So we went to La Hacienda right here. Got this fajita burrito with chicken. Bomb.
Swell.
And we got my boy Keon. He came through. We out here in the Lexus.
No, no.
No, what are we in?
We're in the GT86.
Oh, GT86. And then Justin
That's why he felt
got his food.
You know the vibes.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, go ahead.